Hey guys, so today we're going to do lesson 9-4. I actually decided to split up 9-4 into two parts, so this will be 9-4 part A. I've been mentioning that with logs you can use the calculator with logs in specific situations, and today we're going to look at those specific situations. So take out your notes to 9-4 or set it up and label it 9-4 common log equations and follow along with the lesson. Okay, so common log has a base 10, which I've mentioned, and that is the only situation where you can actually use a calculator with logs. Also, just a note that natural log has a base e, so we're going to be using ln for some of these problems as well, and ln equals log with base e. Okay, so find each to the nearest 10,000. So what you're going to do is use your calculator to plug these numbers in. Now, notice how it doesn't say what the base is. That means that it's a base 10, and that way we can use the calculator for this problem. So we can hit log, just type in the number, and then you get your answer. For this specific set of problems, it says to round to the nearest 10,000ths, and that is 4 decimal places. So I'm going to just write down 3.7945. Okay. Or oh no, I rounded that wrong. 4. No, it is rounded. 4.5. Gosh, second guessing myself already. Next one, same thing, just plug it in. 0.5. We get negative 0.3010. So all we're doing is plugging it in. Now it says natural log of 365. So on the calculator, find your natural log button. Mine is right here. Yours might be in a slightly different place. But 365, and we get this number. Okay, next one, again, ln 0.4209, and here is the value. Okay, next set of problems. Find x to the nearest 10,000ths. So in this case, we're going to have to do a little setting up before we plug it into the calculator. So here, remember, if it doesn't say what the base is, it's base 10, and then base is the base, exponent at the end. Exponent at the end. Okay, so base is the base, exponent's at the end, so it'd look like this. And then this equals x. So in the calculator, again, yours might be in a little bit of a different spot, but if you look right here, I have 10 raised to the x power. So I'm going to do 10, second that button, and then negative 1.12, and it comes out to a value. So here, x equals 0.0759. Okay, next one, this is the same setup, base 10. Base is the base, exponents at the end equals x, and then I plug this into the calculator. Second, and 3.15, and this is the value. Okay, now we have natural log. Remember, ln, or natural log, is log base e. So our base is e, so base is the base, exponents at the end, and then we're going to set that equal to x. Now in the calculator, we actually have an e as well. If you look right behind my ln button, I see e to the x power. So I'm going to hit second that button, and then type in the value. Okay, and repeating that step with this problem, ln is log base e. Base is the base, exponent at the end equals x, and then I can use this button here to get this value. Okay, continuing on to the next set of problems. Okay, where you can't write both sides of exponential equation with the same base, take the log of both sides. Okay, so here to solve this, we'll take the log of both sides. So we'll write it like this. Log 3 raised to the x equals log of 4. Then we have to use the properties that we learned in the last lesson to put this exponent out front. So it'll look like this. X log of 3 equals log of 4. And at this point, we're going to be solving for x. So we need to divide both sides by log. X equals this divided by this, and it comes out to 1.26. This says to round to the hundredths, so we're going to stop rounding there. 1.26. Okay, and if you want to see how I would put that in the calculator, log of 4 divided by log of 3, and there you get the value. Okay, now repeating that with number 10, we're going to say log of 7 raised to 3x equals log of 20. Take the 3x, the exponent here, bring it out front. Then from here, work on getting x by itself. 3x equals log of 20 divided by log of 7. I'll just do that in the calculator. Log of 20 divided by log of 7. I get this value. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And it comes out to this. So x equals 0.5132. Okay. Or x equals 0.51 if I'm rounding to the hundredths place. Okay. Next problem. And we're just going to continue doing this. We have log of 3 raised to x plus 1 equals log of 84.2. Okay, I need to get this exponent out front. Okay, and now I'm going to solve for x. So I'm going to divide both sides by log of 3. Log of 84.2 divided by log of 3 gives me this value. Subtract 1 from both sides, and x equals 3.04. Okay, and number 12. Same thing. Log 7 to x minus 1 as the exponent equals log of 316. Bring the exponent out front. Divide both sides by log of 7. And this log of 316 divided by log of 7 is this number. Add 1 to both sides. 2x equals 3.957866. Divide by 2. And it comes out to 1.98 if I round to the nearest hundredths place. So there is the value there. So this is all you are responsible for learning today. Make sure to do homework 9-4A on Schoology. And then we will complete the second half of the lesson tomorrow in class. So have a good day. Make sure to jump onto Schoology and do your homework. You can also start this week's EverFi assignments if you have extra time after that. So have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.